if you have tiny screws you're trying to work with, then you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a lot of things that have little tiny screws, like this thing right here. This little screw will not come out with a standard Phillips head screwdriver, so I always am reaching for these little micro screwdriver sets. And one of the things that I have noticed about these in the past is that some are very good, they're very clever, get held shut with magnets, and they're very high-end and premium. But they can also be kind of expensive. So that's why I picked this up. It's by Fertoriy, and this one was very, very cheap. So I thought we would just take a look at it because I'm kind of curious what we get for $9. So plastic case, kind of looks a little bit like a pen and pencil set, you know, something you'd pick up at graduation. Okay, opening this thing wasn't as easy as I thought. So first of all, I want to show you down at this end, there is a little seam that goes across there. I actually had to use this divot repair tool, kind of shove that in there. So you might need a flathead screwdriver, which is a little ironic to open this up. But once I got that in there, and then I kind of move that, now what you can see is this actually slides open. So I don't know, it looks like there's some glue or something there. So kind of keep that in mind, that if you get this, it's not probably going to open real easily. But now that I've got it open, you can see it slides open just like this. This thing will slide all the way off. And what we get here is a pretty nice little set of tools. So we get the screwdriver itself, which looks like it's some sort of alloy here. I love this little rotating cap because if you are holding this down, screwing something in or loosening it up, it will freewheel there. So you can see that we can take one of these bits here, and you can see we have a little icon for what they are. So your star bits, and you know, for me, I'm looking for a Phillips head, and I'm looking for a very small one, which should probably be that one. Some flatheads down here, some six-sided ones, star bits down here. So let's just go ahead and grab the Phillips head that I think I need. And what's cool here too is if I press down here, the back end comes up. So it looks like these are all magnetic, so they're not going to fall out on you, which is really nice. And then if I put this in here, see, there's a little magnet in there too, so it's not going to fall out. And now what I might be able to do here is get this screw just like that. And what's really nice is I'm kind of pushing down with my hand here and then twisting with my fingers, so that little pivoting end is really nice too. So now I get the screw out, I can open up this remote and put in new batteries. So pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick up this little set, because this is going to sit in your desk drawer, in your kitchen drawer, and make sure that you can replace batteries, take out little tiny screws whenever you need to, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, $9. I think this little kit is great. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.